Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The easiest way to thicken up cream cheese frosting is to pop it in the refrigerator. As the fats from the cream cheese and butter cool, the frosting will change consistency and become much thicker. No extra powdered sugar required.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why is my cream cheese frosting runny? This can happen if you use a low-quality cream cheese that has a higher water content, or if you use cream cheese from a tub instead of the kind that comes in a brick. Make sure to buy the best quality, full-fat, block cream cheese you can get your hands on. 28 March 2019.
Take our lead.
Don't work with butter that is too soft. If it's oily, it's too soft and won't mix properly with the cream cheese. Make sure the confectioner's sugar contains cornstarch as the anti-caking agent. It will help thicken the frosting. 25 February 2019.
Take our lead.
The best way to thicken cream cheese frosting is to refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. As the butter cools, it'll help firm up the frosting. You can also add meringue powder to thicken the frosting and keep it stable. I've done this countless times and it works like a charm. 25 February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How do you fix overbeaten cream cheese frosting? Adding a starch like cornstarch or tapioca flour to thicken the frosting. However, too much can alter the flavor of your frosting. Change the flavor of your frosting by adding cocoa powder or powdered freeze-dried fruits, which should also thicken your frosting. The 5th of September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.